Hello, I'm Jeff McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. This has been a tough time for all of us battling the spread of COVID-19. We've lost members of our community to this disease. We've lost precious time with our families and friends, and our children are missing school. But help is finally coming in the form of new vaccines that will start to bring life back to normal after most in our community have been vaccinated. These vaccines are considered safe and effective, like many of the vaccines we've used for decades to control diseases like measles and whooping cough. I know some of you are scared about these vaccines becoming available so quickly. No corners were cut or steps skipped in how these vaccines were tested. They went through a rigorous scientific review before approval. In addition, the technology had been studied for years, so it was ready to apply when the pandemic occurred. However, please be aware that the COVID-19 vaccinations may hurt more than your traditional flu shot, and you may experience pain and swelling at the injection site, in addition to possibly feeling fatigued or getting a headache. This is normal, and you should get your second booster shot 3 to 4 weeks later. My family and I plan to get vaccinated as soon as it's our turn, and I hope you and your family will join us. If we all get vaccinated, continue to wear masks, practice social distancing, and wash our hands, we can save lives and end this pandemic together.